Hey, what's up guys? In today's video we're gonna try to solve another lab from SQL injection path provided by the WebSecurityAcademy, and today's lab is SQL injection union attack retrieving data from other tables. So I have already turned on the lab, it's warming up, it's not solved yet, and just read the description. So this lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in product category filter. The results from the query are returned in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve data from other tables. To construct such an attack, you need to combine some of the techniques you learned in the previous labs. The database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. To solve this lab, perform a SQL injection union attack that retrieves all usernames and password and use the information to log in as the administrator user. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We got the shop. There's some kind of text. Look, feedback will come. Yeah, actually, I don't think it matters. So let's see about the filtering option. Let's see the accessories. We can see that there's like the filter category accessories. So let's try perform a union SQL injection. So we want to run out from the accessories. We want to provide union select, and let's see how many columns are being returned by the original query. So we can see there's not like one probably. Let's see two. Okay, great. So we know that they're being returned two columns. So now we can try returning. Let's see whether all of the columns are like text columns. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Let's see the other one. Oh, it's okay. Okay, it worked great. So let's try. We know there's a table called users, and that this table contains a column called username and another column called password. So we can instantly go try select these columns. So union select username, password from users, and let's see if it's working. Oh look, there's like this is giant pillow, so this is the original query, but we can see the users here. There, oh, there's 3 users, and this is like the username and the password. So the task is to log in as the administrator. Let's just simply copy the password. Let's go to my account. It was the administrator, and copy the password. Log in, and great, we have solved the lab. Um, so yeah, that'll be it. This is how we can solve the lab. We already knew about the table we should be looking for. What we can try to do is actually see whether we can select something like union select role, and it would be something like table name from information schema dot tables. I guess it would be something like that. And look at that. Now we can see all the different tables that are in the database. So this is like a Postgres database. We can see there's like indexes and etc. etc. And we got to manually check all the tables, but we can use something like, let's see, the Control F users, and this is the table users. And what else we can do, and when we know the table we should be looking for, we have no idea what columns are there, right? So what we can do is like search for column name from information schema that columns. It's gonna return all the columns from the database, not only like from the simple table, but it's like giving us some information we could use. So maybe there's something like username. Yeah, there is something like username. There's also like it's binary, or maybe they are connected. Maybe these columns are in the same table. Maybe not. We don't know actually. But there's also role password and there's also this column called password. So this is how we can search if we have no idea what columns are there in the database. This is like quick recon what we can do to search for all the tables. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next video.